Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Struggling to clean those hard-to-reach spots in your car? This car cleaning gel is the answer. This putty-like cleaner is designed to get into every nook and cranny, effortlessly lifting dust, debris, crumbs, and even pet hair. Just press the cleaning gel into cracks and crevices and watch as it grabs onto the dirt. Slowly peel it back, and the grime comes right out. It works wonders on keyboards too. Simply press the gel onto the surface and slowly peel it away to remove dust. This versatile cleaning goop is safe for all devices and surfaces. This reusable cleaning gel is effective for multiple uses. Simply use it until the color darkens, then store it back in its jar in a cool place. Made from a high-tech material, this rose-colored gel boasts a pleasant cherry blossom scent. It's sticky enough to grab dust, but won't stick to your hands, leaving no residue behind. This dust-grabbing gel isn't just for cars. It's also perfect for cleaning around the home and office. Just remember, the surface must be dry for the cleaning gel to work effectively. See our video for a quick tour of the Astro AI tire gauge. This handy tool features a backlit LCD display and lighted nozzle for easy reading in any light. Designed to maintain proper tire pressure, it reduces wear and extends tire life. The digital display provides instant, clear readings, eliminating the guesswork of analog gauges. The nozzle easily seals with Schrader valves. Get quick, accurate measurements in 0.1 increments across 4 settings. Just press the on, unit, off button to power on, select your range, and the gauge auto shuts off in 30 to 44 seconds to save battery. The non-slip grip and ergonomic design fit comfortably in any hand. It auto-resets after each reading, no calibration needed. A battery is included, and it's versatile for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and bicycles. Made with high-quality materials, we offer easy returns for any shipping damage or functional errors. We're committed to excellent products and customer service. Annoyed by shaky phone mounts? The Sessengar Dove V's cup holder phone mount offers rock-solid stability. Unlike flimsy goosenecks, it uses a 2-piece support arm tightened by a spiral ring, minimizing vibrations while driving. It securely holds any smartphone with a simple one-touch release. Just press the side buttons. Both the support arm and phone holder rotate 360 degrees, offering endless angle adjustments. The segmented arm also adjusts height and reach, perfect for the driver, passenger, or even backseat viewers. This 2-in-1 design expands your cup holder and adds a phone mount. The dual cup holder fits most 12 to 40-aughts bottles up to 3.78-inch wide. The expanding base fits various cup holders in Teslas, SUVs, trucks, RVs, golf carts, treadmills, and more. CR Dove Vest prioritizes your driving convenience. The U-shaped cup holder securely holds handled mugs without tipping. If you have any questions, contact us for support. Please ensure compatibility with your car's interior before purchasing. Need to see what's lurking in those hard-to-reach places? This endoscope camera boasts a vibrant 4.3-inch IPS screen with a wide 107 degrees viewing angle and a highly sensitive chip that captures crisp 1920 by 1080p HD images in real time. Color flip and brightness adjustment ensure clear, natural images from any perspective. The 7.9mm camera probe features 8 adjustable LED lights for perfect illumination in dark environments. Its IP67 waterproof rating makes it ideal for use in wet or harsh conditions, and the optimal 2 to 10 cm focusing distance allows for detailed inspections of pipe walls. A unique 1.29-inch short lens, half the length of standard lenses, allows for easier maneuvering in tight spaces. The semi-rigid cable bends easily, letting you navigate through complex angles and reach confined areas. This endoscope is incredibly user-friendly. Just power it on and go. No need for Wi-Fi connections, smartphones, or software downloads. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable, fatigue-free use and keeps your phone safe from dirt and grime. Elevate your campsite cooking with the Jagahaha Overland kitchen. This innovative slide-out system combines washing, chopping, and cooking into one compact platform, perfect for overlanding, SUV camping, and all your outdoor adventures. Set up camp kitchen in under 60 seconds. Its clever design mounts securely off the ground, making it stable on any terrain, grass, sand, rocks, you name it. Stay organized with dedicated features: a trash bag holder, napkin rack, utensil hooks, a collapsible sink, and a spacious storage drawer keep all your essentials within easy reach. Built for the long haul, this folding kitchen is crafted from high-density, triple-compressed wood for exceptional strength and durability. Its compact folded size fits neatly in truck bed drawers, SUVs, or cargo slide-out systems. The sturdy stove platform supports standard 2-burner stoves and includes an adjustable support rod for added stability. Enjoy hassle-free meal prep wherever your adventures take you with this must-have camping essential. Transform your car into a mobile workspace or dining area with the Pafineri car desk for laptop. Perfect for quick meals on the go or setting up a temporary office, this versatile tray adapts to your needs. The Pafineri boasts a generous 18.8-inch main surface, expandable to accommodate laptops larger than 19 inches. Its triangular support structure ensures rock-solid stability with a 30-pound load capacity. Universally compatible, it fits most standard steering wheels, from compact cars to large trucks. Anti-slip slots keep cups and pens secure, while an adjustable holder accommodates phones and tablets up to 11 inches, boosting productivity and entertainment on the road. Enjoy 720 degrees adjustability for optimal comfort and an ideal fit. The intuitive hook system allows for quick installation and removal, and the stable base prevents shifting during use. The foldable design makes storage a breeze. Detailed instructions ensure hassle-free setup. Crafted from waterproof, easy-to-clean, high-density fiberboard and ABS plastic, the Pafineri is both lightweight and durable. We back this car laptop mount with a 6-month warranty for your peace of mind. Struggling to keep your car's interior spotless? The Fantique V8 Mate is your solution for detailed cleaning. While not designed for large areas, this compact vacuum excels at tackling car interiors, office desks, keyboards, and other tight spaces. Worried about those hard-to-reach corners? The V8 Mate comes with multiple attachments to conquer every nook and cranny. At just 1.2 pounds, about the weight of a water bottle, its cordless design allows for easy one-handed operation, effortlessly removing sand, dust, and debris. Included are extension tubes and a hose for reaching deep crevices, a brush for stubborn dust, and a multi-surface brush ideal for carpets and pet hair. The powerful brushless motor delivers 30 EPA 12 kPa suction, easily lifting even ground and dirt. Choose between 2 suction settings. Recharging is quick and convenient with the included Type-C fast charging cable, fully replenishing the battery in just 2 hours. A clear marquee ring light indicates the working charging status. Emptying the dustbin is also a breeze with a simple one-click release. Light up the night with McTuning's upgraded V1 chasing color wheel ring lights. Our custom McTuning app lets you unleash your creativity and maximize performance. These 17-inch rings boast 612 powerful 1550 SMD LEDs, delivering a brilliant 1780 lumiere beam. Built to withstand the elements, they're IP68 waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof, with a rock-solid aluminum inner ring for added durability on rough roads. Choose from 76 dynamic preset modes, 8 customizable DIY modes, or classic on-off settings. Create a unique, eye-catching look that turns heads wherever you go. Integrated amber turn signals and red brake lights enhance safety by providing clear warnings to other drivers. 2 wiring options within the app ensure compatibility with most vehicles. Each ring features a 11.5-fit waterproof 3-core connector and a 1.65 fit 5-core input wire with a 10-8 fuse for easy and safe installation. Buy with confidence, knowing we offer 4-hour friendly response times and lifetime customer support. Transform your car's audio system with this versatile wireless Bluetooth FM transmitter. It supports Bluetooth, USB drives, TF cards, and MP3 WMA playback. enhanced by anti-interference performance and CVC noise reduction for crisp, clear audio. Stream music, podcasts, audiobooks, and navigation from your smartphone or tablet directly to your car radio. Simply pair your device with the transmitter and enjoy wireless audio. Built-in microphone and call handling features enable seamless hands-free calling. The transmitter automatically switches from music playback to hands-free mode when a call comes in. A 3-second voltage display, upon plugging in, lets you monitor your car's battery health. Then, it automatically switches to play mode. Its compact design makes it easy to move between vehicles, perfect for rentals or sharing with friends. 2 USB charging ports let you charge multiple devices simultaneously while driving, ideal for long trips or when relying on your phone for navigation or entertainment. Upgrade your driving view with the Wolfbox G930, offering stunning 4K front and 1080p rear recording. Easily adjust the viewing angle by sliding the screen and swipe to switch between front, rear, or split-screen views. This streaming media rearview mirror provides a significantly broader and clearer field of vision than traditional mirrors, boosting driving safety. The upgraded 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi ensures seamless, stable connections to the Wolfbox app. The low reflectivity LCD screen minimizes daytime glare, while advanced WDR technology balances light exposure for clear visuals in high-contrast situations. A premium 6-glass lens delivers exceptional image quality, even in low light. With an optional GPS receiver, view real-time speed and direction directly on the screen. Review recorded videos with valid GPS data using the Wolfbox GPS player. For added security, loop recording continuously captures footage, overwriting older files. The G-sensor automatically locks video files upon collision detection, providing crucial evidence. Hit the road in style with the Lavie Carplay touchscreen. This all-in-one system transforms your car into a connected haven. Seamlessly access apps, music, navigation, and messages directly from the 9-inch touchscreen, making every journey a breeze. Plus, with a built-in 64GB micro SD card, you can easily store and playback footage captured by the crystal-clear 4K front and 1080p rear cameras. Safety first. Stay focused on the road with voice commands via Siri or Google Assistant. Navigate like a pro with real-time GPS guidance, eliminating the need for bulky standalone navigators. Personalize your ride. Choose a custom startup screen logo to express your unique style. And for entertainment on the go, project your smartphone content onto the screen using Apple AirPlay or Android Cast. Enjoy a rich audio experience with Bluetooth, auxiliary, or FM transmission modes. Plus, the Lavie Carplay screen seamlessly integrates with most car models, ensuring compatibility without any hassle.